How to fix your apps being grayed out. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where your any applications or all your devices screen is being grayed out, so that might be related to software issue. So in that case, if your particular application is not working, just head over to your settings on your mobile device, and once you're inside your settings, just click on this apps and simply locate the application which is causing such issue and click on this storage and just try to clear all the cache from that application, or you may also reinstall the application from the Play Store as well. If that doesn't fix your issue, what you can do is just come back from over here and simply click on software update option over here, right down, just click on it and make sure you have installed the latest version so that your Android is up to date. That should fix your issue, and if it is still not fixing your issue, try restarting your devices. And you can also actually try to come over on this menu button over here and just simply disable any of this comfort shield or any of the dark mode option over here. As you can see, I've already enabled the white mode just like this. Once you do all of that, just finally restart your device and your issue should be fixed once and for all. So if it's still not fixing, you may have to visit the nearest mobile center regarding your hardware issue or your screen, because that's all we can do for a software issue. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.